Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am Henry Vernon from ACC Driving School. I'm here with a student. Say hi.
Hi.
We're gonna run through the driving test. We're at a DMV, and again, as usual, I cannot tell you what DMV it is, but I can show you what the place looks like. If you know the place, then you know what DMV this is. Alright, so we're gonna run through the driving test real quick. Before I do that though, I'm gonna ask you guys to subscribe to my other YouTube channels. That would be Exotic Car Culture if you're into cars, Sequence Sound if you're into music, reggae, dancehall, sound system. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I'm begging you please to subscribe. Alright, so we're gonna get into the video. So they're gonna ask you, if you park facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
You turn the steering wheel left away from the curb, and then you put your car in park, draw up your handbrake, and then turn off the engine.
Okay. She said draw up the handbrake. She mean pull up the handbrake. That's
Yeah.
Jamaican style.
Yeah.
Alright, do your turn signal. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. Alright. Again, they're checking your horn. If your horn's not working, your brake lights or turn signal lights are not working, they will not take you out in the car. So before you come to the DMV, make sure your car is in good working order. Now they're gonna ask you to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Alright, they're checking your left front tire. Turn all the way right. Again, they're checking your right front tire. When you're done with that, make sure you straighten the wheel. So 2 times to the middle. Cool. Yeah, once they finish checking the tire, again, if the tires are no good, they will not take you out in the car. But once they're done checking your tires, you have to straighten the wheel. Some of them will tell you to straighten the wheel, most of them will not. So you make sure you straighten the wheel so you don't run into problems. Once they're done with they check the car back in front. They'll come into the car and they'll basically tell you to listen and follow instruction. They'll say something like, there are no tricks in the test, just listen and follow instruction. See, Mom?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to reverse from here and we're going to go to the left. And we're going to go through the actual test. So look behind. Yeah, put your hand on the seat like that. Roll back when your mirror is past the end of the parking lot line. Like about that, right there. That's good. Turn all the way right. You want the back of the car to go to the right, so you turn right. Look behind and reverse. Gently on the gas. That's good enough. Put it in drive. Turn left. Turn the wheel. Gently on the gas, straighten up in the right lane, and we're making a right turn at the stop sign. Signal left, you're signaling, yeah. So you come to a complete stop right at the stop sign, then you're gonna make a left into the right lane. Alright, go ahead. Gently on the gas, control. See, you're doing good. Yeah, go to the stop sign and make a left turn. Signal left. You see what time it is? 7. I picked up my first student this morning at 6 a.m. Did a test this morning. Alright, go ahead and make a left. Going to left into the right lane. Yeah, I'm doing a 12-hour day today.
Very long day.
Long day. Alright, so we're gonna go into this corner by these dumpsters and go around the corner to the left. Here you don't need to signal because you're just going around the corner. Going to make a right turn past this big tree that's sticking up. Signal there. And right here, remember you're gonna make sure your mirror is past the
Passing
curb.
curb.
Again, we're gonna show that so the back wheel don't touch the curb. Make sure your mirror is past the curb, like that. Now turn. You don't need to stop necessarily though, just do it
Okay.
seamless. Straighten up in the right lane here and stop about here. So they'll tell you to stop here and then they'll say speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up to 20. Try to stay in the right lane as much as possible and stop. Looks like that. Put the car in reverse. Look behind and roll straight back. No gas, just look behind, just keep it straight. And remember, they don't want you using the mirror. They don't want you using the camera. I was told by someone that if you use the camera, you'll lose points. It won't necessarily fail you, but you will lose some points. Alright, stop here. Put it in drive, go down to the end and make a left. In between these cones and poles. Alright, so again you pull down and you line up there. In most cars, in almost any car except for like this car, you line up the mirror, right? But in this car it's so small that the steering wheel works a little bit better than the mirror. Like that's good. Signal left, turn all the way left. Then release your brake. And press gently on the gas as you pull in. As the car go around, you start straightening out the wheel and you pull straight in. Turn slightly left. A little bit more, go and stop there. Straighten the wheel back to your right there. Reverse. And then we're gonna go to the left to do the 3-point turn. So look behind, roll straight back. When your mirror is past the pole, keep going. When your mirror is past the pole, go back a little bit more, like a foot past the pole, like that. Cool. Turn all the way right. Look behind and roll straight back. When your mirror is past the middle of the road, like right there, you stop. Put it back in drive. Signal left again. Pull up next to the line on the right side. See the line on the right side right there. Pull up next to it, close to the right side. Like right here. Stop. 3-point turn. Signal left. Turn all the way left. Go forward. Gently on the gas. Okay, that's cool. Reverse. Turn all the way right. Look over your left shoulder in reverse. When your mirror is past the middle again, we're going to stop, right? So press the gas gently. Gently. Like about there. Right there is good. Put the car back in drive. Signal left again. Turn left. Straighten the wheel. Alright, signal left again. One, two, three. Go ahead. So when you're making this left here, you make sure you're going in the right lane. Good. And then you're making the immediate left turn. They'll tell you where to turn, right? Because sometimes if there's no spaces here available, they'll make you go somewhere else. Turn here. Turn here. So we're parking on the left again. Left some more. Press the gas gently. Straighten up. Straight in. It's good. Put it in park. How do you think you did?
I did fine on the empty lots, but if there are actual cars,
You have to find a reason, right?
yeah.
You could just say I did good.
Oh, I did good. Yeah, I did good.
You did good. You did excellent, actually. You didn't think you would, but see, you did fine. So she's gonna pass the test. I'll put in the description what she gets on her test when she passed the test. All right. So remember, I have the 4, the 8, the 12-hour classes on the website for if you get traffic tickets. The 6-hour and the 4-hour class that's required before you get your learner's permit. The 6 hours is for people under 18. The 4 hours for people over 18. We have all of those on the website. I still have access to the third-party test if you need it. Call me at 954-588-8075. And the website is accdriverseducation.com. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
Bye guys. See you later.
Yeah.